the west right now, and then it's going to have time to possibly gain some strength, but we are still expecting a tropical storm throughout the majority of this work week, and then still a stronger tropical storm as we head into Saturday. Forecast cone is showing a big area of uncertainty. So the wider this cone is, we call it a cone of uncertainty because then we're not very precise with the forecast. The further out you go, the more uncertainty we have, and that's why it becomes very, very broad. But we're going to keep a close eye on this. By Sunday, computer models are still hinting that we'll likely have a stronger tropical storm, but not exactly forecasting a hurricane at this time. Although we do need you guys to stay on top of the forecast because it gets very uncertain once we go past this weekend. So what I'm going to show you are what our computer models are showing. And I'm going to show you two different scenarios. What we take a look at as meteorologists, we look at several different scenarios, but our most popular forecast models that we take a look at are the GFS, which is our model, and then the European Global Computer Model. Okay, the first one that we're going to take a look at, as a matter of fact, I'm going to go into this graphic so we can manipulate it and look at it together and kind of pinpoint exactly what we're tracking. So this is exactly what we are seeing as meteorologists forecasting this system. The first computer model that we're going to take a look at is the GFS computer model. I apologize, one moment here. Okay, this is the GFS computer model at this time. We're seeing it meander. This is Wednesday heading into Thursday, so notice area of low pressure still in the southern Gulf of Mexico. We really don't start to see momentum until this weekend. This computer model in particular does take a very strong tropical storm, if not a weak hurricane, making landfall late this weekend somewhere along the southeastern Louisiana border. Okay, this is just one computer model, one run. You cannot base the forecast off of this. Now I'm going to show you the European computer model. So take what you're seeing right now with a grain of salt. I just wanted to take you into the forecast of what we are seeing right now as meteorologists and why once we get past Saturday, the rest is kind of still up in the air and this forecast is going to change. So now we're taking a look at the European computer model. Do you see the isobars? The tighter these isobars are, that's showing a stronger area of low pressure. This area of low pressure is showing a more westerly trajectory than the GFS computer model, and it does take it kind of making landfall on the Texas-Louisiana border. And that would be by early next week. So we still have several days to watch out for this. And we still have several days to pinpoint this forecast. So I'm actually going to put both of the computer models together to show you just how they differentiate and why our main job right now is just to stay on top of the forecast. Our main job right now is not to panic. It is to prepare and to remind you guys that we are in the midst of hurricane season. This is a system we all have to watch, and I do recommend you guys to make sure to stay up to date with the KHOU weather team at least 2 times a day because these forecast cones do change and computer model runs do change. Now, the closer we get to the system getting closer to the Texas coast or possibly anywhere in the northern Gulf Coast, then we'll have a better forecast and we'll be able to let you guys know what exactly we should prepare for. So I just wanted to give you guys an update here on this Tuesday afternoon of the latest tropical depression 3 was upgraded to a tropical storm Cristobal. It is our 3rd named storm. We are only 1.5 days officially into the hurricane season, Atlantic hurricane season for 2020. And we'll make sure to give you guys updates as this week progresses. Again, just make sure to check in with us on khou.com/weather. We'll have continual updates. You can follow all of our meteorologists as well on social media and on Facebook. And we'll make sure to bring you guys the latest. We'll chat with you soon.